Did you know the largest animal ever known to have existed on Earth is the blue whale? A creature of such colossal proportions, it's hard to imagine that it belongs to the same planet as us. Blue whales, scientific name Balaenoptera musculus, are the true giants of the ocean. They are part of the baleen whale family and are found dancing in the azure depths of oceans all around the world. Their long, streamlined bodies are a sight to behold, a bluish-gray color that gives them their characteristic name. When we talk about size, it's no small matter. On average, these leviathans reach lengths of about 80 to 100 feet and can weigh up to a staggering 200 tons. That's about the weight of 33 elephants. These awe-inspiring measurements make the blue whale the largest animal on Earth, living or extinct. Their bodies are elongated and slender, tapered at both ends with a large and broad head. The blue whale's body shape is an ode to the principles of hydrodynamics, designed for efficient travel through the vast oceans. An interesting feature of the blue whale is the series of pleats along their throat. These pleats aren't just for show, they are highly functional, allowing the whale's mouth to expand like a massive net during feeding. It's as if the blue whale carries an expandable supermarket bag with it at all times. And then, there's the dorsal fin, a small protrusion on their backs, and the tail fin or fluke that can reach widths of up to 25 feet. Just picture that for a moment. The width of the tail fin alone is longer than most motorhomes. So, the blue whale isn't just big, it's gigantic, making humans look like mere specks in comparison. It's a living testament to the wonders and grandeur of nature, a majestic creature that truly embodies the term giant of the ocean. Despite their enormous size, blue whales feed on some of the smallest organisms in the ocean. At first glance, this may seem quite paradoxical. Yet it's a testament to the incredible design of these gentle giants. Blue whales primarily dine on krill, tiny shrimp-like crustaceans. Now when I say tiny, I mean really tiny. Imagine this, you would need about 4,000 krill to weigh a single pound. Yet these colossal creatures, which can tip the scales at up to 200 tons, rely almost exclusively on these minuscule morsels for their sustenance. So, how does this work? Well, it's all thanks to a unique feeding mechanism called filter feeding. Picture this, the blue whale opens its massive mouth, engulfing a large volume of water brimming with krill. Then, it pushes the water out through specialized structures called baleen plates, trapping the krill inside. It's akin to a giant strainer, sifting out the food from the water. But the truly mind-boggling part is the sheer volume of krill a blue whale consumes. In a single day, a blue whale can eat up to 4 tons of krill. That's right, 4 tons? That's about 40 million individual krill every day. Over the course of a year, a blue whale can consume more than 1.5 million pounds of krill. These astronomical figures highlight the importance of krill in the ocean's ecosystem. They're not just food for blue whales, but for a plethora of other marine animals as well. This underscores the interconnectedness of life in the ocean, where the largest creature depends on one of the smallest for its survival. So the next time you marvel at the size of a blue whale, remember the tiny krill. These little crustaceans play an enormous role in sustaining the largest animal ever known to have existed on Earth. This gentle giant might be the largest animal on Earth, but it survives on the tiniest of meals. While it's challenging to measure, there's no doubt that blue whales possess a certain level of intelligence. This isn't just a hunch, it's a conclusion drawn from observing their intricate social behaviors and communication methods. Consider this, the blue whale, despite its colossal size, is not a solitary creature. They display a level of sociability that hints at a complex, organized society. Although they are often observed alone or in small groups, these groups can sometimes extend to 50 individuals or more, especially in feeding grounds. Their social structure and behavior patterns suggest a level of intelligence that goes beyond mere survival instincts. Now let's delve into the communication methods of these marine giants. Blue whales are known to produce a variety of vocalizations, including low-frequency songs that can travel vast distances underwater. These aren't just random sounds, they're messages, relayed across the open ocean, connecting these majestic creatures in ways we're only beginning to understand. The songs of the blue whale are a fascinating subject of study. These low-frequency vocalizations can be heard hundreds of miles away, suggesting they play a vital role in communication. Some scientists speculate that these songs serve multiple purposes. They could be a mating call, a means of asserting territory, or a way to keep in touch with their social group. The exact purpose still remains a mystery, but the fact that these vocalizations exist at all is a testament to the sophisticated communication techniques of the blue whale. One cannot discuss the intelligence of blue whales without mentioning their remarkable problem-solving skills. They have been observed altering their behavior and adapting their hunting strategies based on the abundance and behavior of their prey, showcasing their ability to learn and adapt to changing circumstances. In conclusion, the blue whale is not just the largest creature on Earth, it's also a sentient being, capable of complex social interactions and communication. These majestic creatures are not only gigantic but also intelligent, displaying complex social behaviors and communication techniques. Just like birds, blue whales also undertake long migrations, but their travel is based on their food. The blue whale, that colossal creature of the deep, is known to traverse thousands of miles across the globe, guided by the seasonal rhythms of the ocean and the availability of their favorite food, krill. Their annual migratory patterns are nothing short of extraordinary. During the feeding season, blue whales flock to the colder, nutrient-rich waters near the poles. The North Atlantic and North Pacific become their dining rooms, where they feast on the abundant krill. These are tiny shrimp-like crustaceans, but don't let their size fool you. A single blue whale can consume up to 4 tons of krill in a day, which is roughly the weight of an average-sized elephant. As the cold winter months approach, the krill population dwindles, and the blue whales embark on their epic journey towards warmer waters. This migration towards the equator serves a dual purpose. Not only does it allow the whales to escape the harsh polar winters, but it also provides them with a conducive environment for breeding and birthing. The exact routes of these migrations are still a subject of ongoing research. However, it's known that some blue whales travel from the chilly waters of Alaska and Iceland all the way to the balmy climes of Mexico and Costa Rica. That's a journey spanning over 5,000 miles. Despite their enormous size, blue whales are remarkably agile swimmers. They can reach speeds of up to 30 miles per hour, but typically cruise at a more leisurely pace of about 12 miles per hour. This allows them to cover vast distances, making their way from one end of the globe to the other. The migratory patterns of blue whales are a testament to the incredible adaptability and resilience of these magnificent creatures. Their epic journeys are a crucial aspect of their survival, as they navigate the vast and ever-changing seascape in search of food and a safe haven for breeding. They are truly global travelers, journeying thousands of miles in search of food and warmer breeding grounds. Unfortunately, the blue whale's size doesn't protect it from the threats posed by human activities. These gentle giants were once abundant in nearly all the oceans until the end of the 19th century, when they were nearly driven to extinction by commercial whaling. Today, the blue whale is listed as endangered on the International Union for Conservation of Nature's Red List of Threatened Species. This means they face a high risk of extinction in the wild. The primary threats to these majestic creatures today include ship strikes, entanglement in fishing gear, and noise pollution. Ship strikes can cause severe injuries, often leading to death. Entanglement in fishing gear is another significant threat, as it can result in drowning or severe physical trauma. Noise pollution, particularly from increasing oceanic traffic and exploration activities, interfere with the blue whale's communication and navigation, making it harder for them to find food or mates. Despite these challenges, efforts are being made worldwide to protect and conserve these magnificent creatures. Many nations have banned commercial hunting of blue whales, and there are stringent regulations in place to prevent their accidental capture in fishing nets. Marine protected areas have been established to provide safe havens for blue whales and other marine species. Scientists and conservationists are also working tirelessly to monitor blue whale populations, study their behavior and migration patterns, and devise strategies to mitigate threats. Public awareness and education are also crucial to the conservation of blue whales. By understanding the importance of these creatures and the threats they face, we can all contribute to their survival. Simple actions like reducing our carbon footprint, supporting sustainable fisheries, and advocating for strong marine protection policies can make a big difference. The blue whale, the largest animal ever to have existed, now needs our help to survive. It's a reminder that every creature, no matter how big, is reliant on the delicate balance of the ecosystem.